Hi everyone, welcome to Ghar Ka Vigyan. We are here with a beautiful tip to get you the most beautiful smile. Yes, you don't have to go to dentistry for beautifying your dental health every now and then. This is a beautiful tip which I have got in front of you, and we will keep getting you the most beautiful tips. Just see, you just have to take half a spoon baking soda, which is readily available in everybody's kitchen. Just half spoon of baking soda, and here I take 1 spoon of lukewarm water. Yeah, I make it like a paste, and 4 to 5 drops of lemon. Yeah, so this is my magic paste. Now this will get you the miracle smile. You just have to take a bit on your regular toothbrush and you have to brush your teeth. Make sure you're not massaging it too much on your teeth, because it may harm your enamel if you are doing it very rapidly and you're doing it very vigorously. So you have to make sure that you just put this paste on your tooth and wash it and rinse it. Yeah, and people who really take too much of betel leaf, pan and supari and all that, and tobacco, who have the red or black tooth, they could be using it quite frequently. And this is not something, the tip which we have made. This is the tip which is proven, and it has been mentioned in Journal of Clinical Dentistry. Yeah, and why are we mixing it? Let me give you a nice reason. The pH of baking soda is 9, and pH of lemon is 2, which is very acidic. So when we mix these two, it becomes quite a neutral paste and it does not harm your dental health. Yeah, this is one reason. And one thing again, I'm requesting you friends, do not use it too frequently, and do not use it too rapidly, too vigorously on your teeth. I'm sure you must have liked this cute tip which will keep your dental health in the best of form. Yeah, thank you so much, and keep watching us, keep subscribing us. Can you see the subscribe button there? Please press it and keep seeing our new videos coming on. Thank you so much. See you. Bye-bye.